Then 2 years ago you can buy a PS5. Now I have two. What the heck? Amazon, Walmart. God of War bundle. God of War Ragnarok. Free game, but it's the digital version. Bro, we have an Xbox and a PS5 now.
console with the USB cable and press into the console with the USB cable and press the PS button. Conecta tu control a la consola con un cable USB y pulsa el botón PS. Branchez votre manette de jeu sur la console. Select your language. English, United States. Press the cross button to select, and the circle button to play back. Adjust display area. The circles should fill the screen without showing black borders. If the circles are cut off, or you see black borders, press the up and down buttons to adjust the display area. The right and left buttons. To select OK, press the down button, Optimized Experience button. Press the cross button to select. Your PS5 will restart and start the update. Update seconds when you're stuck, and track your progress toward completing the activity. Next button. Press cross to go to the next step. To return to the previous step, press the circle button. To your music, all the controls you need while gaming are in one place, for quick access. Customize which ones appear by pressing the options button. Next, all your friends and parties are here. Gamebase is a dedicated hangout space for you and other players. Voice chat, plan and start your next match, or even share your screen with other members. Your friends can chat and watch from mobile with PlayStation app.